Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming you're recovering your own account. Open Apple's I Forgot site and enter your Apple ID email. Once done, choose the password reset option that matches what you still control: email, trusted phone, or device. Make sure to have a trusted iPhone, iPad, or Mac nearby for verification prompts, because push approval is the fastest path. If two-factor is enabled, accept the verification request on the device. Otherwise, proceed to the alternative recovery choices. Next, you verify your identity. When a verification prompt appears on a trusted device, approve it and follow on-screen instructions. If you only have a trusted phone number, enter the SMS code you receive. In cases with a recovery key or security questions, provide those exactly. Accuracy matters. Once validated, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Pick something unique and complex, then update it across your devices so iCloud, iMessage, and App Store access continue uninterrupted. Finally, sign into your Apple ID on each device and update saved passwords in settings or keychain so sync stays intact. If the automated routes fail, start Apple's account recovery. This can take days. You'll receive instructions and a recovery status URL. Make sure to have purchase receipts and photo ID available if you contact Apple support directly. They may require proof. If things go wrong, avoid third-party hacks. Only Apple can reliably restore access to a locked iCloud account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.